Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Audi A4 car key battery full guide. Start by removing the mechanical key from the fob using the small release button and inspect the seam where the two halves meet. Pry gently with a flat tool, keeping pressure even to avoid cracking plastic. Remove the old coin cell, note its orientation, and install the new CR2032 battery with positive side facing up. Use a soft workspace and good lighting as you open the fob to avoid losing tiny parts. Press the key release and slide the mechanical key out, then find the pry notch or seam. Insert a thin plastic pry tool and twist gently to separate the case, halves without forcing. Work slowly to reveal the battery cell and internal contacts, keeping all pieces organized for easy reassembly once the new battery is in place. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find this guide. Quick recommendation. I spotted a great read recently, Dollar Banknote, The Simple Path to Wealth, and it made me rethink small savings like replacing a key battery instead of buying a new fob. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Once the fob is open, note the orientation of the old coin cell so you install the replacement correctly. Use a new CR2032 battery, handle it with clean fingers or gloves, and seat it firmly into the clip. Snap the fob halves back together evenly and slide the mechanical key into place. Test lock, unlock, and panic functions from a short distance to ensure reliable operation before stowing the fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.